Hello there. Wanted to give you all a chance to take a look at my new digs. That's right, Bed's gonna go over there. Clothes washer over there, I'm thinking. Shower, well, this roof leaks, so I just rub myself up when it rains. Had y'all going, didn't I? Nope, welcome to the new shop. What you see is what you get. 2-car garage, metal roof. This is gonna be my new home, the weld shop. See you in a bit. I want to talk to you about today is something called welding fumes. I'm not talking about gas fumes, I'm talking welding fumes. What's going to happen to you young guys after about 20 years of welding, breathing in all that gas? I know it gets addictive, but what's going to happen is you're going to develop shakes. Some of you anyway, not all of you, some of you. And that's going to lead to a lot of problems. Hands are going to start shaking. You're going to get to where you can't remember things. It could lead to Parkinson's, which is very serious. Affects a lot of your abilities to do pretty much anything. In fact, sometimes you're going to get the idea that you're in an earthquake because you're just going to be like this. Take it from an old timer that knows. If you get the chance, when you go to buy that new welding hood, get yourself a respirator to go with it. It'll save you down the road. I wish I had known about this problem when I first started welding. But now, it's too late for me. But you young guys out there, take it from me. Heed my words. Get yourself a respirator. Go buy that new fancy hood. Get you a respirator to go right along with it. Because if you don't, it could lead to serious problems, one being Parkinson's disease. I had this guy come in, apply for a job. And back then when I was a lot younger, I thought the guy was a junkie, because he was shaking. You know how they portray him on TV, you know, they're just all jacked up and going haywire. Needless to say, I didn't hire the guy just because that's what I was thinking. You know, I don't need no druggie around where I work. You know, he could get somebody killed. That is not the case, and I'm sure it wasn't the case back then when he applied. Please, take my word. Get yourself a respirator. And make sure you change your filters often. That's all I got to say on that subject. So, you see me shaking in my videos, you'll know that's not for me being a drunk or a junkie, on PCP or acid or any of that other stuff. It's from the welding fumes, and they will get you.
it.